Right, what about this? Our wee video, try and keep this one short and sweet. DG MasterLock. It's a 5-pin. Pin 1's probably about a 0 cut. Works great. So this one here, focus, highly neat. Core moves about all over the place in this set. That could probably cause problems for somebody. And me probably sometimes, but we'll try and get it picked. Right, that was a Peterson short hook, I just put it there too, so. Like I say, tension match, probably not the best. Seems like banging up the plug, whatever it is, I don't know what the crack is there. Right, so. Can't really see that too well, so you can. Pin 5 set, 4 set, 3 solid like it's set and all, 2 set, pin 1 set. It's about as easy as that. Junk.